Hello guys, welcome back to my channel for the next video and about CoinpayU. Okay, in the first video I told about some tips of advantage of opportunity that CoinpayU offers to you. In this video we are going to talk about the different opportunity. For example, you see CoinpayU have made an update on the website. For example, you see the different color, the different design. So okay guys, you see the live cash out. For example, in this country, Billy, a user of name Billy, have taken $1, another $1.61, $1 $4. So there are so many ways to earn money in CoinpayU. For example, you can play game and earn money. For example, you can earn $500, $400, and many more. Okay, only by playing game. This site contains 15 and more online games available. Like if you sign up and after logging up, you're gonna find this game to earn money every day. Like